Hello children, welcome back. Now today we have to consider this topic, the rational numbers between two given rationals. That means you have to find out the rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Now I will ask one question. How many natural numbers are there between 3 and 8? How many natural numbers are there between 3 and 8? You know that 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many natural numbers are there? 4 natural numbers. Next, how many integers are there between -2 and 3? How many integers are there between -2 and 3? So, -1, then 0, 1 and 2. How many integers are there between -2 and 3? 4 integers. So, we can easily find out, right? Here we have to find out the rational numbers between two given rationals. Now we have two different cases. First one, two rational numbers having same denominator. The denominators are same. Example, find two rational numbers between 3/7 and 6/7. The rational numbers are 3/7 and 6/7. Look at the denominator. Denominator is 7. Denominator is 7. So they have same denominators. The two rational numbers have the same denominator. Therefore, look at the numerator. So the numerators are 3 and 6. Find integers between 3 and 6. Find integers between 3 and 6. Find integers between 3 and 6. 4 and 5. Therefore, 4/7 and 5/7 are the rational numbers between 3/7 and 6/7. Therefore, we can write like this: 3/7 less than 4/7 less than 5/7 less than 6/7. So the question is to find two rational numbers between 3/7 and 6/7. Which are the rational numbers? 4/7 and 5/7. So here the first case, the denominators are same. So you have to look at the numerators and find the integers between those numerators. Now second case, two rational numbers having distinct denominators. What is mean by distinct? Distinct means different denominators. The meaning is that the denominators are not same. Example, find two rational numbers between 1/4 and 2/3. You have to find two rational numbers between 1/4 and 2/3. Here the denominators are different. So what we have to do? We have to find equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational numbers with a common denominator, denominator as LCM. We have to find equivalent rational numbers with a common denominator, and the common denominator should be the LCM of the denominators of the given rational numbers. So, first step, you have to find LCM of 4 and 3. Then, what is the LCM of 4 and 3? 4 into 3 equal to 12. First rational number is 1 by 4. Then equal to 1 by 4. You have to find out the equivalent rational numbers with the denominator as 12. So 4 into 3, 12. So 1 into 3, 3 by 12. Next, 2 by 3 equal to 2 by 3 into 4 which is equal to 8 by 12. So we got the rational numbers, equivalent rational numbers as 3 by 12 and 8 by 12. Now look at the denominator. Denominators are same. So we have to consider the numerators of these equivalent rational numbers. So the numerators are Which are the numerators? 3 and 8. So you have to find integers between 3 and 8. Which are the integers between 3 and 8? 4, 5, 6 and 7. 4, 5, 6 and 7. Therefore, 4 by 12, 5 by 12, 6 by 12 and 7 by 12 are the rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 2 by 3. Therefore, we can write like this: 3 by 12 less than 4 by 12 less than 5 by 12 less than 6 by 12 less than 7 by 12 less than 8 by 12. Then 3 by 12 means which is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 less than 4 by 12 less than 5 by 12 less than 6 by 12 less than 7 by 12 less than 8 by 12. We can replace by 2 by 3. So you can write it as 2 by 3. So how many rational numbers you got? 4 rational numbers. Which are they? 4 by 12, 5 by 12, 6 by 12 and 7 by 12. Out of these 4 rational numbers, you can select any 2 rational numbers. 4 by 12 and 5 by 12, or 5 by 12 and 6 by 12, or 6 by 12 and 7 by 12. Now here we got 4 rational numbers. Suppose we need more rational numbers. Here the question is, you have to find out only 2 rational numbers, and here we got 4 rational numbers. Suppose we want to find out more rational numbers, for example 10 rational numbers or 20 rational numbers like that. So how will you find out? Now we know that 1 by 4, the corresponding equivalent rational number, we got it as 3 by 12, and 2 by 3, the corresponding rational number, we got it as 8 by 12. So you have to find out equivalent rational numbers with a large common denominator. The meaning is that you can increase or you can make the denominator as a bigger number. So how will you make it as a large number? We can multiply with a suitable number, both numerator and denominator. For example, if I multiply with 10, both numerator and denominator by 10, then 3 into 10, 30. 12 into 10, what you will get? 120. Similarly here also, second rational number 2 by 3 also, First we got 8 by 12, multiply with it 10. So we get it as 80 by 120. Now this 30 by 120 and 80 by 120 are also equivalent rational numbers for 1 by 4 and 2 by 3. Now here the denominators are same. So look at the numerators, 30 and 80. So you can find out the integers between 30 and 80. That is 31, 32, 33, 34 and it will go in that way till 79. So the corresponding rational numbers are 31 by 120, 32 by 120, 33 by 120, it will go like this, and 79 by 120. So we got so many rational numbers. So all these rational numbers lie between 1 by 4 and 2 by 3. So when we change the denominator, we get more and more rational numbers. So what is the meaning of that? If you take any two rational numbers, between these two rational numbers you can find out countless rational numbers. That means unlimited number of rational numbers. If I further change the denominator, again I will get more and more rational numbers. So we can say that between any two given rational numbers, there are countless rational numbers. Can you say that the number of rational numbers, how many rational numbers are there? No, we cannot say the number. Exact number we cannot say. So we can say that there are countless rational numbers between two given rationals. Now we have one more method to find the rational numbers between two given rational numbers. The idea of mean. The idea of mean. The idea of mean can be used to find the number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers. So that also I will show here. What is mean by mean? Mean means average or arithmetic mean. You have already learned. If x and y are any two rational numbers, x and y are any two rational numbers, and x is less than y, the first rational number is less than y, then we can find out the sum of these two rational numbers and divide the sum by 2. That is the mean, sum of the numbers divided by number of numbers. So here we have two numbers, find out the sum divided by 2. Therefore we can say that x less than x plus y divided by 2. So this x plus y divided by 2 we can write like this, x plus y, put the bracket, divided by 2. So x less than x plus y by 2 less than y. So in this way also we can find out the rational numbers between two given rationals. I will show you one example. Example. Find a rational number between, find a rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Find a rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. First what we have to do? We have to add it. Okay. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So the denominators are different. We have to take LCM. So the LCM is 4 itself. So 1 by 4, we can write 1 by 4 itself plus 1 by 2, the equivalent rational number is 2 by 4. So which is equal to 3 by 4. Then what we have to do? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, the sum, we have to divide the sum by 2, equal to 3 by 4 divided by 2. Then 3 by 4 divided by 2, we can do in this way. 3 by 4 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 is the rational number. The 3 by 4 is the rational number between, sorry, not 3 by 4, 3 by 8 is the rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So which method? We have to add this, the idea of mean. We have to add these two rational numbers and divide the sum by 2. So you will get the first rational number. Suppose if you want to find out more rational numbers, then you can take these two rational numbers, find their sum, then divide the sum by 2. Then you will get a rational number between 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. Then suppose you want to find out a rational number between 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. Add 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. Then the sum you have to divide by 2. Then you will get a rational number between 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. So you can proceed in that way and you can find out so many rational numbers between two given rationals. But I think which method is more easier? We can see that the first method, finding out the equivalent rational numbers with the common denominator as LCM. So you can use any one method. Okay, the first method or the idea of mean you can use to find out the number of rational numbers. Okay, we will follow the first method. For doing the problems, we can follow the first method. That's for today's class. Thank you, my dear children.